guys, have you been wondering how to make money online for free during these hard times? Rest assured, because I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online for free. And what's great about this is that it works in all countries. But before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I post a video, you'll get notified. And also, like this video and leave a comment if you liked it. So as you can see, this is how the app looks like. The network is slow here, so it's kind of messing up. Do you see the orange bar at the bottom there? That's the time you spend on the video. At every end of the time, there's a treasure chest. That treasure chest contains gifts. As you can see, it says 50 seconds, so it's loading. When it gets to the end, you get a treasure chest. Okay, so we are waiting for every day. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you see it will come and add to the rewards. So now that we've gotten them, let's go and retrieve our rewards. So you just press on the rewards button. Okay, so this is the area where we retrieve our points. So we are going to retrieve them. Do you see these buttons at the top here? We are first retrieving the gold chest. So you okay, so after retrieving our clap coins, you click on the clap coins area here to open another window where we can exchange clap coins for cash. As you can see, it says 3,500 cash coins. So 3,500 cash coins equals to 0.03 US dollars, which also equals to 20 pesos. So you can also use your clap coins to buy silver chest and gold chest. But how to withdraw your money after getting your US dollars? You go to the cash out area. Go to the cash out area. Right now, my cash balance is $0.67, but I need $10 in order to cash out. And the only way you can cash out is through PayPal. Anyways, guys, if you don't have a PayPal account, leave a comment and I will show you how to create a PayPal account in your country in my next video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I've already cashed out some money. Wait, my wallet. As you can see, I've already cashed out. Wait. Oh, okay, I didn't set up my PayPal account yet. Okay, I'll do that later, but when you want to cash out, that's where you go to. Okay. So okay, guys, as you can see, this is my PayPal balance. I just deposited $100 from my clipclaps account. I made $100 from my just in 1 week from my clipclaps account. So guys, I really recommend clipclaps for you. Okay. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching my video. Click the subscribe button if you haven't. Smash the like button and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.